Good day, scrapper. Today I'm gonna scrap a VHF transceiver, it's a ham radio. Okay, let's start taking the battery out. And let's begin. Or should I take that one? Take all the screws out and see what's inside. Oh, what's wrong with this one? Okay. I have it since maybe 6 or 8 months, but it was somewhere in my store and I didn't know about until I suddenly yesterday I found it. So we'll scrap it, see what can we get. We'll see. I don't know how we open this one. Aha. We can pull it like that, I think. Let's see. I think I'm gonna open these. Yeah. Let's try. Let's see if we can. It's stuck because of these. So I will try to open these and okay. I took off the big screws for the the antenna connector and the volume knobs, and then I pull it out from the plastic cover, but I'm not cutting any the speaker wire. I'm not cutting it because I want to be sure maybe it can be fixed. So let's see if we can, because who gave it to me, he told me it's sometimes it's working, sometimes it's not. So there is 2 screws here for the antenna connector. Let's take it out. That's it. Yes. Still not coming. Don't know why. Good. Oh, that's good. Okay. It's stuck from this side. No. What's wrong with it? I'm trying my best not. I can't see why it's stuck. Yeah. Really, I don't know. Okay, that's it. I'm cutting. That's it. Okay. Wow. Cast aluminum. Good. Okay, let's see now. What do we have here? We have a lot of MLCC2 isolator capacitor. 1, 2, yeah, 1 PGA, one flathead, 1 PGA. That's good. And we have 1 tantalum capacitor, 2 tantalum capacitor. What else? That's it. That's all what we get. I will get all the things from here. That's it. This one is, I think it's covered with gold. Yeah, it's flushed with gold, so that's good. Take this plastic thing out and that's it. That's happy. Scrap a hand transceiver, VHF transceiver. It's a ham radio. So that's it. I hope you enjoy the video, and I will see you in another video. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up. Please subscribe in the channel, and I thank all the people who are already subscribed. And if you like my videos, share the vlogs with others, please. Be careful, be safe. See you in another video. Bye.